I feel very good after studying from this academy. I am very lucky that I got such a good teachers who support me a lot in my studies. They show us the path of good and bad.
Chandu sir and the other teacher of this academy are just not here to teach you and helping you to secure good marks in your exam, but it's also about the emotional bond between the students and their tutor.
Ambience Academy is a very great academy for any student from 9th to academic year. According to me, this academy can improve a student's life too very much.
I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to Chandan sir and the entire team at Ambience Academy for their unwavering dedication and commitment to excellence.
I have an amazing experience here. The faculty is very good and supportive, the infrastructure is very modern, and the learning environment is very effective. I'm learning a lot here and developing essential life skills.
I gain knowledge from the teachers, and the teachers are always motivate us at every
I
step.
have had the opportunity to grow not only academically but also personally. I am grateful for the knowledge and values given by my teachers, which is undoubtedly shaping my future, especially Chandan sir.